Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I unravel my mini tooth without causing breakage. Put some water in a spray bottle and spray it all over the section you want to unravel first. Apply some leave-in conditioner. Use the one you have. I'm using TCB leave-in conditioner. Apply it on the section you have just moisturized with water. Then go ahead and unravel. You can see how smoothly they unravel. The leave-in conditioner helps to remove the tangles from the hair.